Welcome back. In the beginning of the course, we talked about a person's chances of winning the lottery, but we didn't go through any actual calculations. For starters, let us define the rules of this lottery. We need to pick 5 numbers between 1 and 69, and a Powerball number between 1 and 26. As we mentioned in the beginning of the course, the likelihood of 2 independent events occurring simultaneously equals the product of their individual probabilities. In this case, one event would be guessing the Powerball number, and the other would be getting the correct 5 numbers. Okay, let's start with the simpler part, picking our Powerball number. Since there is only one favorable outcome, the chance of picking the correct Powerball number is 1/26. Now, how about picking 5 numbers out of 69? As you know, order does not matter with lottery numbers, so we would have to use combinations. Obviously, we cannot have the same value twice. This means that we are dealing with combinations without repetition. Therefore, let's apply the relevant formula. This suggests the total number of possible ways to pick our 5 numbers is 69 factorial over 5 factorial times 69 minus 5, which is 64 factorial. The result is over 11 million. Therefore, we would have a lower chance than 1 in 11 million of correctly guessing the 5 numbers. To win the grand prize, we would also have to correctly guess the Powerball number. So guessing all the numbers becomes 26 times less likely. Therefore, there are almost 300 million different possible outcomes. Okay, to get the probability of winning, we need 2 pieces of information: number of favorable outcomes and the number of all possible outcomes. We already have the latter. What about the number of favorable outcomes? Well, they're going to be equal to the number of tickets we buy. Assuming we participate with a single ticket, we can calculate the probability of winning. Using the favorable overall formula, we get approximately 1 over 300 million. In other words, the probability of winning the lottery with a single ticket is approximately equal to a figure that is slightly above 0.000000003. Great! In this case, we had 2 events that needed to happen concurrently for us to win the big jackpot. The first one consisted of choosing the 5 numbers, and the second one was picking the correct Powerball number. With this notion, we more or less exhausted the permutations, variations, and combinations topic. In the next video, we're going to make a quick recap of everything we covered in this section, and then we'll be ready to move forward. Thanks for watching.